Hey, Scott Jordan here for the Bullen Companies, and we're going to talk to you today about a brand new program, One-Up Extends. And we're talking about Extends. It's going to extend the life of luxury vinyl tile. If you're not familiar with luxury vinyl tile, there's links below this video that gives you more information on that, but let's talk about the products. We have three products. We have the luxury vinyl tile cleaner. This is specially made for luxury vinyl tile. It's going to leave a microscopic coating behind that's going to make it easier to clean the next time you clean. Then we have the Extends Luxury Vinyl Tile Protector. This is very important because on luxury vinyl tile you only have a limited amount of film on the top of the brand new tile floor, and you need something to protect it from scratches and wear and everything else. And then the matte finish, Extends Matte Finish, is for those floors that have all kinds of scratches and problems and can't be repaired, but you want the floor to look good, and we've developed the matte floor finish for that. So three products, luxury vinyl tiles covered completely across the board with the Extends program.